I'm a mommy for 3 kids, so I just want to endorse you this one. This is the Glow Peptide and Elastic Flavor Drink. This is, guys, to make your skin glow and more beauty. Ganito talaga model na dapat i-enhance sa beauty kasi, guys. I just drink it for just a week and look at my skin. Look. You know what? It's more darker than when before I drink this. Then it's just a week, guys, and it's more glowing. Look at that. So I think I am the one na makapatunay sa inyo na this collagen makes more prettier than ever. This is for sa mga mommy for this coming February 14th. So what's up now? Just drink this collagen for more beauty. Morning, as a working mom, ito po yung aking panlaban for my skin to make it glow and lighter, guys. Today, as a working mom, like medyo stressful ang work, this is it, guys, ang ating kakampe. Alam mo na, guys, yes, it's so, oh my god, it's so hard. Yan, guys, let's try. Ganong flavor nito, guys. Oh, you know what? It's about a week na po yung ganito. You look at my skin. Before, it's more darkened yun, guys. Ngayon, today, I feel like parang nag-glow siya. So, why don't you try? It's a collagen peptide elastic cream.